you want to know how to make your eyes look bigger and brighter without any filters or editing, this video is yours. With just a few makeup tricks, you can transform your look. Let me show you how. To create the illusion of larger eyes, I'm going to apply a white eyeliner on my lower waterline. That's it. And after that, I'm going to apply a little bit of it under my eyebrows and on my inner corner and a little bit on the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it. And then I'm going to take a dark shade for my crease. As you can see, this is my real crease. And I'm going to apply this dark shade a little bit upper than the real crease in here. This is my real crease. This is a little bit upper than that. And then I'm going to try to blend this dark shade upward. You see that? And then I choose a very light shade of my palette for under the crease right here. I want to create that kind of boldness. Okay, this is right under the crease. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to apply a dark shade a little bit under the real lower lash line. Now I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner to create that illusion of larger eyes. I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. Okay, and then I'm going to curl my lashes because, you know, it's really important. And then I'm going to apply my mascara on my lower lash line as well. Don't forget to define your eyebrows because it has a really big influence on making your eyes more pop. Okay, so I'm going to apply a brow gel. As you can see, it's all done. We have bigger eyes. If you loved these eye-opening makeup tricks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a trick, and drop a comment for me. Tell me your go-to trick for that bigger, brighter eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!